Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is, let's see, September 9th. Took me a moment there. This is a lawn that I've just aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And this is Bill's yard. I'm in the neighborhood of Laurelhurst today in North Seattle. I do a fair amount of lawns in here. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time, take a look at Bill's lawn and just see how it's doing. Typically this lawn just comes back beautifully. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is September 24th. I'm in the Laurelhurst neighborhood here, and this is a lawn that I previously aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And I did this earlier in September. I don't have the exact date that I did this on, but I was just driving by, wanted to show you the work that I've done here. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. Thank you. Bye-bye.